Still checking tree depths by hand? That's slow, inaccurate, and killing your workflow. Well, we got the perfect fix. Dun dun! New Launch Sheet Master 2.0, your new go-to for tire inspection. Let's crack it open. You get everything you need: the main unit, menu, cable, and a handy calibration platform. And the main unit is super handy. 0.1mm precision, 118mm scan width, 3-second read. Even a beginner can master it in no time. Compared to the version 1.0, this one is a total game changer. It does a full tree scan in one pass, recognizes license plates, generates reports automatically, and lets you share PDFs via email, all packaged into one little device. Total time saver. The Tree Master 2.0 equipped with 3.97-inch touchscreen, and it has 32GB storage, which can hold hundreds of reports. And with dual-band Wi-Fi, sharing results is super fast, whether you are in the shop or out in the yard. That's it for the Tree Master 2.0. In our next video, we will show you exactly how it works. I'm Vina. See you next time.